Well, welcome to my home office. So the one room in our house that has not been touched at all are our home offices, specifically mine. My husband really doesn't care about his office. Today we are making over my office and we are putting in an organizational system in our closet for extra office storage space. So I'm kind of going with a Moody mountain office vibe feeling in my office. I always go to Pinterest for all my inspiration, so I kind of find a bunch of stuff I like and just kind of piece it together and make it my own. So if you're looking to redo your office, I hope this gives you some inspiration. And if you're looking to create an organization system in your home office closet, I also hope this helps because that's exactly what we're doing. So let's get started. Here is my current office situation. Extremely boring and extremely bare. So as you can see, we already have a desk in here and this desk is staying, and we are actually going to be adding another portion of a desk. We just finished redoing our laundry room, and a portion of that countertop was the same counter we used in here is going to go in here because we had like a big chunk left of that counter. So I'm going to like enlarge my desk area, and then I'm going to be like moving monitors and kind of rearranging, getting new floor in here, trim work. This is going to be my accent wall. We're going to replace these closet doors because these are just like the standard sliding doors, which I hate. I want the bifold so you can like open this up, because this is where we're going to be putting in a whole new closet organization system with drawers and cabinets and stuff. I need better storage because this is not doing, as you can see, it's a mess. New light fixture, of course. So this is it. This is my home office that's getting a complete makeover. So the first thing I want to do is get my accent wall painted. So I figure before we rip this carpet out, let's get all the painting done. And we are going black. So we did a black accent wall when we made over our master bedroom, and I just love black. Let's do this. Ah, there it is. It's beginning. We're getting rid of this dang carpet. Yes. Adios. Flooring is being installed. So this is our hickory flooring. Floor is done. It is so gorgeous. So the trim we're putting in is 4.5-inch trim. It is time to work on our closet organization. So we are putting in a Closetmaid organization system. So this will replace this mess going on right here. And these are really easy to put together. We actually redid our entire master closet with the same organization system, and we love it so much. So basically you have this one middle tower here in the middle, and then you can design it however you want. It just comes bare like this. This is your standard tower, and then you can buy accessories. So I'm going to be putting 3 drawers in. So I'm going to put these like wider drawers in, 3 of them right here, and then I will probably get doors too for the upper portion. And there it is, completely finished. It turned out so nice. So just a few things I want to talk to you about. So in our master closet, I had some really nice doors on this upper portion for the upper cabinets. But because it was a large walk-in closet, I didn't have to worry about the cabinets opening because it was like an open space. Well, I'm not able to put the doors on because when you open the door, it's going to hit right here. So just keep that in mind. And because this is my office, I mean, technically it's a bedroom. And if we were to ever move from this house, I didn't want to have to like worry about making this an actual closet. So we did install the bars in here for clothes, just for resale value. It is set up for an actual closet if it needs to be. And then I did buy 1 extra shelf here that just is in here with these little brackets just for extra storage right here on the top. I moved up my printer and my file cabinet in here so that it's not sitting out because they're not the most beautiful things. And it fits perfect. The printer sits perfectly on top of the file cabinet and it blends really well. And I cannot wait to get all of this put back in my closet, nice, neat, and organized. So I just got a few items from Amazon that I am looking to kind of do more organization in front of my desk. So in this area. So I have a lot of paperwork and stuff I deal with on a daily basis. So I found this really cool looking 3 file holder rack, and then it has some little hooks here, and then I found these grids, which I thought were really cool, and I just got them, and it came in a pack of 2. I don't know if I'm gonna use 2 or 1, I haven't decided yet, but it came with these cute little clips, some hangers to hang it, and then it also came with this little pack of fairy lights, which I'm really excited about. This is gonna be kind of cool to kind of string some pretty fairy lights across this. And then I just found some really neat file folders at Walmart to go into my basket. I'm starting to work on the design I'm wanting to put on the black accent wall, and I found 2 photos on Pinterest that gave me the inspiration on what I want to put up here. I love the wood slat type wall that's become very popular, and I found this really cool mountain design, and I'm going to try and blend the 2. So I just taped off the accent wall right behind me. There it is. Just to kind of get an idea of sizes and stuff. It took me a while to kind of get everything kind of in proportion. It was not easy, but being able to tape it off up here gives me an idea of how much wood I have to go by. So when you first walk in, I'm going to do some of the long wood slats over here, and then I have this really cool mountain design I'm going to put like right in the middle. So I'm hoping it's gonna look good once we got like actual wood up there that's stained and pretty. I just went and bought a bunch of these 1x2 wooden pine boards, and that's what we're going to use for the mountains and that wood slat. So they're just pine, and I'm going to be staining them with early American. We're working on our mountains, and just to give you an idea of how we're putting this together, I'm just using a speed square. That's my mountain, and then I duplicate that with my little pieces of wood that I'm using to create this. So I just got in my new light fixture, and I love it so much. So it's from Amazon. It's kind of like that industrial looking type light fixture, and these kind of move so you can kind of position them like however you want. Bought these like Edison style light bulbs in daylight. Normally these come in that dark amber yellow tone, but I am not about the amber colors. It's too yellow. So I found them in daylight. I just got them at Walmart. It's just like the Great Value brand, and they come as a pack of 4. That is absolutely awesome. Like, this light fixture was very inexpensive on Amazon, and I'm obsessed. Those light bulbs make all the difference, and I love the daylight. Gives the natural white tones instead of yellow. All right, so I decided I'm going to be putting a lot of Moody mountain photos in my office as kind of some decor items, and I get all my prints from Etsy. You can go online. They have tons of different prints you can just purchase. They're super affordable, and then they come in all the sizes you need. You can make as many prints as you want. It's awesome. So if you're looking for wall decor and prints and stuff, highly recommend Etsy. All right, y'all, the office is finished. It is everything I've ever wanted in a Moody mountain organized little office. So before I show you the final reveal, here's a reminder of what it looked like before we started this makeover. Now, check this out. So cozy in here. I just love the vibe. It's like the vibe is what I was after, and I perfected the vibe I wanted. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and just kind of go over all the details and different touches we added to the office in case you are interested. All right, so I kind of already talked about this mountain wall design with the wood slat board, but I absolutely love how this all turned out. I already talked about where I get all my prints from. These are a few of the other ones. So these 2 here, and these two right here, they all come as a set of 4, which was a pretty sweet deal because these are awesome photos. And I just decided to blow these up into 20 by 30s and put over on this wall since it's a larger wall. And I think it's perfect. I got these poster picture frames from Target. They were like 15 bucks or something cheap. You can get these one-day prints all done at Walmart. Even these big ones, you guys. These lights, I loved it so much that I decided to put more over here and make another slat wall just to kind of accent this corner of my office where my monitors were, because otherwise it was kind of plain. And then it ties in some of the wood from, you know, this side of the room over to that side. So I think it turned out really awesome. These little fairy lights, they're just from Amazon, super inexpensive. I absolutely love how our floor turned out, but I love a good accent rug just to kind of soften it. I found this black and white one online and I cannot remember where I bought it from. I'll look back and I'll put it right here. Here is another Amazon find. So I love like sheepskin, fluffery looking items. And I found this like faux sheepskin fur that I thought was so cute. It's so soft and just like perfect for like the back of a chair. So let's talk about my newly renovated closet. Now these doors might look familiar because they were actually our old doors. I did not realize that doors were back ordered for like 4 to 5 months, and I was not gonna wait that long for the doors I wanted. So guess what? We just made our old doors work. So I got some really chunky pull handles from Amazon again. That just like replaced and went over the knobs that were on here. We just put some hinges on it here, just like that, 3 hinges, and done. This closet system is a complete game changer. Keeps everything so much more organized and looks so much better, and I can actually find things. I found these black little baskets. They just kind of hold some of our receipts for our different businesses. I got these at Walmart, and then I found this 3 paper tray holder, which I use different papers for different things I do. So these are all like different kinds of paper in here, so that's why I got 3 trays. I got my paper clips, pens, highlighters, scissors, rubber bands, spare change, you know, foreign change. This is all foreign currency in here from all the different countries we've been to. And these drawers. Love my drawers. And down here I found these really awesome storage bins. These are also from Amazon and they're huge, you guys. They come as a set of 3, and look at that, like they're enormous, and these are like perfect to like throw all those other items that you just need like tucked away but you want it to be organized. So I think I have like old yearbooks, like yarn, string, like some fabric in there. There's tons of things in these bins, and it's nice they have a cover so it's all hidden, nice, tidy, organized. So those are amazing. I didn't talk about these because these are things I just reused. I've had this white office chair for years. I think we bought it from Office Depot, and then this shelving system I think we bought from Amazon, but I'll try and link all this if you're looking. Love this chair, it's extremely comfortable. This is awesome storage, a little system for desks. I'll leave all the links below of all the items that I can link that's possible. Like I said, I don't know if like they still make this office chair, but I'll see if they do. I think I actually might have seen it one day, so I'll see if I can find it. If there's something in here that you saw that I didn't talk about or didn't link, comment below. I will do my best to let you know where they're from. I feel like a home office should really be an inspiring room to walk into, and something that you want to be in, even though it's the place where you probably sit for many hours in a day and do a lot of work in, whether it's things that make you extremely frustrated or it's things that bring you a lot of happiness. So whatever design style you are after, just make sure that your home office reflects you, your visions, and what makes you thrive the most. So another fun room remodel. So thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said, if you have any questions, comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.